Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun Z-fold card for you. This is my Haunted House Z-fold card. This is what it looks like all folded up. And then when we open up the card, you've got that really fun, really detailed Halloween scene. You've got the haunted house and the little black cat there sitting in the front, and just really detailed, really cool. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. Now this card does have a lot of layers, but don't worry, it does come together really quickly. So let's go ahead and grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on that icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Now we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And now for the band piece. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once we have the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and the band piece all set, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take our card base and I'm going to fold along the score lines. Now I'm going to flip the card so that it's vertical, and I'm going to fold this first score line as a mountain fold, and then the second score line as a valley fold. Burnish with my scraper. just like that. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and layer our cover panels for the inside of this Z-Fold card. Now I know it looks like there's a lot of different pieces. Don't worry, I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer each one of these pieces. But for each section, there are 3 different sections because there are 3 different sections of the card base. For each section, you're going to start with the purple layer, then blue, then yellow, and then red. I'm going to speed up the video while I layer all of these together, and then I'm going to show you what they look like when I'm all finished. Alright, so there we are. I have all the different pieces layered together. We have the main piece that has the haunted house. Now I will say that yours will not have that little cutout there. I had just enough of a scrap piece of paper to use, but don't worry, it's going to be covered up with our band, so don't tell anybody. We have our 2 smaller sections here as well. Let's go ahead and start to add those to the card base. Alright, there are all 3 sections all layered together. Cool, spooky scene. Let's set that to the side for just a moment. And we can take our band piece and then rotate it so that the cutouts are going to be on the left-hand side. The first score line you're going to fold as a valley fold. And then the second fold as a mountain fold. Go ahead and burnish those. And now we can attach this to the card. I'm going to start with the right side that has the cat on it. Add that right here to this bottom right hand corner. And now for the left side, I'm going to add glue to the bottom. And along these spindles here as well. And there we go. Now we can flip that card over and attach the messaging panel to the back. And our card is all set. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Because there are so many layers to this card, I'm going to recommend that you fold it up and place it inside the envelope. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue along the bottom edge of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. Hold that there for a minute so that everything can dry. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? I love how you can change up the different colors on the scene and really change the feel of the card. Z-fold cards are so fun because not only do they fold flat for mailing, but you're also able to create really fun scenes within the card. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.